Welcome guys to another CapCut trick. First we drag to the timeline the photo we want to work on and any black screen. We stretch this black screen to the full video. Now on the text we grab the text and we match it with the time of the black screen. Now we write anything we want. I wrote Netflix. Here we select all, we go to animation and choose text fade in or any in animation you like. Now I changed the font to Rubik font, and here is very important thing: you change the font size and you go after the animation ends and put a keyframe, scale it down, then move 3 seconds and put another keyframe and now scale it up until the whole screen is the color of the word. Now we choose green color instead of the white and we have this result. It's good, but it needs a little bit editing. I moved those two keyframes to the right and now we have this amazing zoom in. Now right click on the keyframe presets, we choose cube in and now select the two clips and create compound clip. We put the compound clip above our photo. Now we select it. We go to video, remove background, chroma key and select the green color. We make sure the intensity is not too much and it's not too little. You adjust it to the right amount. Now we have this. We are finished, but one last trick. We select the photo and before the animation ends, we put a keyframe and we put another keyframe at the end of the animation. Now we scale this a little bit and now we have this. If you liked my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe for my channel for more useful videos. We need to hit 1000 subs so I can monetize the channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. See ya.